Date, August 17, 2012. It reads, whereas the LGBT Wellness Foundation and its LGBT Wellness Conference are dedicated to the empowerment education for the lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender community nationally and in Sedona. And whereas the LGBT Wellness Foundation has announced the opening of its first annual Wellness Conference to be held in the Sedona Creative Life Center on August 17th through the 19th, 2012, with 33 speakers and 2,000 plus expected participants. 2,000 is my expectation. Whereas the truth comes out somehow, doesn't it? Whereas the city of Sedona is a city that offers equal opportunity, whereas the LGBT Wellness Conference will share knowledge and experience on body, mind, spiritual, and relationship issues. And whereas the city of Sedona is a city that offers equal opportunity for all and fosters a sense of community. Now therefore, I, Rob Adams, Mayor of the city of Sedona, on behalf of the Sedona City Council, do hereby proclaim the first day of the LGBT Wellness Conference, August 17th, as LGBT Wellness Day in Sedona, Arizona. Welcome to all of you.